Hi, today I'm ready for Nokia C32 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open Settings application and then scroll down to the Sounds and Vibration. Here you'll see Media, Call, Ring, Notification and Alarm volume panels. Just to change them, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side. These dots on each of the volume panels. Here we will see the Don't Disturb mode. We could turn it on, turn it off to set, just to allow some calls, messages, and notifications from many people, apps, or alarms, to set the shadow of DND mode, to change duration for quick settings, and to display options for hidden notifications. We could change also the phone ringtone. In media section we could pin media player, and to show media recommendations we could turn on or turn off these options with the help of the switchers. We can also switch vibration and haptics settings to use vibration and haptics, and just to change each of the settings for calls, notifications and interactive haptics. We could switch notification and alarm sounds, and to turn on the dial pattern, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration touch sounds, and to show always the icon in vibration mode. So with the help of all of the switchers, we should click on each of the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.